Okay, so let us start with the drilling. So what is drilling? So in the previous class, I told you related what is the meaning of drilling. So drilling is a process of making cylindrical holes. Okay. So with the help of rotating tool. So that rotating tool is called as drill bit. Okay. On a stationary workpiece. So that is what we are going to call as drilling. So drilling is a process of making cylindrical holes with the help of rotating tool and the drill bit on a stationary workpiece. So that is called as drilling. So in the test they may ask you what is drilling, explain the working principle. So what are you going to say? You have to write an E sketch. So what is this? This is a workpiece. Okay. So workpiece is clamped on the table. It is fixed on the work table. Okay. So the tool. So here we are going to use a tool. So what kind of tool is this? So it will be having a grooves, helical grooves will be there. Nodidira, have you seen the drill bit? So there will be a helical grooves will be there. Okay. So this will be rotated at very high speed. So this will be rotated at very high speed, and it will be forced against the workpiece. It will be forced against the workpiece to get the cylindrical hole. Is it right? To get the cylindrical hole. So this is what we are going to call as drilling. Is it clear? So this is the definition of drilling. So next comes the classifications. What are the various classifications of drilling? So there are different varieties of drilling out there. So depending upon the construction. Okay. So the first one is portable drilling machine. What is this? Portable drilling machine. The second one is bench drilling machine. Next one is tiller drilling machine. The fourth one is radial drilling machine. Fifth one is gang drilling machine. Sixth one is multiple spindle drilling machine. So these are the various classifications of drilling machine. What are those? The first one is portable drilling machine. So you have seen the portable drilling machine that we can hold it, you can easily carry wherever you want. If I need to perform drilling operation on a wall, I can perform. If I need to perform wherever uneven surfaces also, I can able to perform the drilling operation. So that is with the help of what? Portable drilling machine. Okay. So next one is bench drilling machine. What we have seen in the lab. Okay. So that is the bench drilling machine. So the workpiece, or it can be mounted on a bench or a floor until having a work table and all. So we will be going to study about the bench drilling machine in detail now. Okay. So bench drilling machine. So next one is pillar drilling machine. So there is a simple difference between the bench drilling machine and the pillar drilling machine means because the kind of workpiece that we are going to use. Okay. So here in bench drilling machine we can able to perform the drilling operation on very small workpieces. For example, 1.5 mm to 15 mm thickness. If I need to perform the drilling operation on heavier objects, more than this, so then I am going to go with the help of pillar drilling machine. Okay, still heavier. So then I will go for what? Radial drilling machine. We have seen the radial drilling machine now in our lab, right? So when the workpiece is very heavy and huge, so where we can't able to lift it very easily. So then I am going to perform the drilling operation with the help of what? Radial drilling machine. So next one is gang drilling machine. Suppose I need to make multiple holes at a time. Suppose I have a workpiece like this. Okay, I need to make a multiple holes on this workpiece. So I am going to use which type of machine? Gang drilling machine, where I can perform multiple holes with the help of this gang drilling. Okay, so that is what a gang drilling machine. The next one is what? Multiple spindle drilling machine. So in drilling, I can perform various operations. I can perform drilling operation, I can perform boring operation, I can perform reaming operation, threading operation. There are different varieties of operation I can perform. Suppose the workpiece has to undergo series of operations. First I need to perform drilling operation, next I will go to a boring operation. There are series of operations. So then I am going to use what kind of machine? Multiple spindle drilling machine. Okay. So this is the theory behind the classifications of drilling machine. Okay. And in our syllabus, in detail, we are going to study about the bench drilling machine. Okay. So let me write the bench drilling machine. So it consists of a base. So this is the base. So which is mounted on a floor or which is mounted on a bench. So this is a base. The base is going to support the vertical column. So what is this? This is a vertical column. Okay. So this is a vertical column. And this vertical column supports the spindle head. So it is going to support the spindle head, and also it is going to support the motor. So this is the motor. And what is this? This is a spindle head, or you can say it is a drill head or spindle head. Okay, drill head or spindle head. Is it clear? So this is the vertical column which supports the drill head and also the motor and also the table, work table. So this is the work table which I can clamp wherever I require. So what is this? This is the workbench or work table, where I can fix the workpiece rigidly. So next, the spindle head or drill head consists of a driving mechanisms. It is going to receive the power from the motor. It is going to receive the power from motor with the help of stepped cone pulley arrangement. With the help of what? Stepped cone pulley arrangement. I will tell you what the meaning of stepped cone pulley. Stepped cone pulley arrangement under belt drives. So can we able to see this pulleys? So in the lab also I have shown you the driving mechanism. Okay. So where we have stepped cone pulleys, and the power will be transmitted with the help of what? Belt drive. So this is the belt drive. And what is this? Stepped cone pulley. So what is the meaning of stepped cone pulley? Means the pulley will be having many steps or many pulleys of different diameter attached on a same spindle. So if I need to change the speed of the spindle, I can change by changing the belt drive to the another step. So that is what we are going to call as stepped cone pulley. So the power will be transmitted from the motor to the drill head with the help of belt drive and stepped cone pulley arrangement. So this drill head consists of spindle, and one end of the spindle is attached to this driving mechanism. Another end of the spindle is attached to the drill chuck. What is this? Chuck. So you have heard the word called as chuck, where in the lathe machines. So the chuck is used to hold the workpiece. So in this case, the chuck is used to hold the drill bit. Okay. So this is the chuck, drill chuck, and it is going to hold what? This is the drill bit. Is it clear? And this is the work table. Large. I am going to mount the workpiece on this work table. So this is the workpiece, and I can perform the drilling operation with the help of a hand lever. So this is a lever. By pushing it down, I can move the spindle up and down. I can move this up and down. So depending upon the depth of hole required, I can move the spindle down with the help of this lever. Okay. So this is for the bench drilling machine. So this may be asked for 6 to 8 marks. I'll repeat you once again. So bench drilling machine consists of important parts such as base, vertical column, drill head and work table. So these are the main parts of the bench drilling machine. So you have to explain individually. What is the base? It is made up of a gray cast iron which acts as a base, and it acts as a main supporting unit for the drilling machine, and which is mounted on a floor or a bench. So that is the explanation of what? Base. So next one is what? Vertical column. So vertical column is mounted on where? Base, which is going to support drill head and work table. Okay, and we can move the work table on the vertical column wherever it is required. So that is not the explanation related to vertical column. It is a hollow column mounted on a base which is going to support drill head and work table. That's it. So next one is what? Drill head. So drill head consists of what? Spindle and a driving mechanisms. Okay, it is going to receive the power from motor with the help of what? Stepped cone pulley and belt drive arrangement. Okay, so one end of the spindle is attached to the motor or a driving mechanism. Another end of the spindle is attached to the chuck. So here drill chuck is used to hold the tool rigidly. So next one is, so with the help of chuck we are going to hold the tool. And what is the next one? Work table. So work table is mounted on a vertical column which can be slided on the vertical column, and it can be fixed at the desired position depending upon the thickness of the workpiece. And with the help of work table we can hold the workpiece rigidly, or we can clamp the workpiece rigidly. So this is the explanation related to what? Bench drilling. Is it clear? Okay, so next one is the operations on drilling or drilling operations. So for your syllabus we are going to discuss the three operations. The first one is boring, second one is reaching, and third one is tapping. What is the meaning of boring means? Okay, enlarging previously drilled hole is called as what? Boring. Okay, second one, reaming, finishing previously drilled hole is called as what? Reaming. Third one, tapping, making internal threads, so that we are going to call as what? Tapping. So only three operations. What is the first one is? Boring, enlarging previously drilled hole. The second one is reaming, finishing previously drilled hole. The third one is a tapping, making a internal threads on the previously drilled hole. Okay, so these are the three definitions, and you need to write the proper sketch. So this is the workpiece. Okay. carefully. So this is a workpiece and this is a single point boring tool. It is single point cutting tool or single point boring tool. So what is the definition? Enlarging previously drilled hole with the help of boring tool by forcing the boring tool against the workpiece. Okay, to enlarge the previously drilled hole. So that is what we are going to call as boring. So you should remember. So this is the main portion of the tool. Okay. So this and the previously drilled hole. So this is a previously drilled hole should be of same diameter. Please listen. The main body of this boring tool and the diameter of the previously drilled hole should be of same diameter. Okay. And this is a single point cutting tool where it is going to enlarge the previously drilled hole. Is it clear? So this is what the definition of boring. So this is the workpiece. What is the next thing? Reaming. So you have to write the workpiece. So this is the hole, and we are going to use a special tool called as reamer. That is a reamer. Okay. So what is the meaning of reaming? Finishing previously hole. How I am going to do the reaming? So the reamer, the name of the tool will be reamer. So it will be the rotating reamer. Reamer will be forced against the workpiece to finish the previously drilled hole. So that we are going to call as what? Reaming. So every time you have to write the proper sketch, rotation, arrow marks, and you have to mention the part. This is the workpiece, this is the reamer, and all. Okay. So what is the next thing? Tapping. So here we are going to use a specific tool called as tapper. Okay. So what is the meaning of tapping? In tapping away. Making the internal threads. So this is the workpiece, and this is a tapping tool. Tapping tool. Okay. So making the internal threads on the previously drilled hole with the help of specific tool called as what? Tapper or tapping tool. Okay. So these are the various operations that is there for the syllabus. I will explain once again. The three operations in that first one is called as boring. So the process of enlarging the previously drilled hole with the help of by forcing the rotating boring tool against the workpiece. So next one is called as reaming. It is a finishing operation. It is the process of finishing the previously drilled hole with the help of what? Reamer. So next one is called as tapping. So it is a process of making internal threads with the help of tapping tool or a tapper. Okay, so these are the various operations of drilling.